Have you ever wondered what happens when you don't tip on Doordash? Well, in this video, we're gonna show you exactly what can happen sometimes if you don't tip. Take care of your driver. No tip, no trip. Do not recommend any of the things that you're about to see in this video. But if you're a consumer out there and you ordering and you're not tipping, just be warned that this can happen to you. So I would suggest that you tip to avoid these things.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It makes it so confusing. Are you supposed to pay me? I paid you the app.
It was at this moment.
This is not saying anything about payment. I already paid. It says zero. It says that you left nothing. It's probably the tip. Yeah. I didn't do it. Can I have my food? Yeah, look at it.
Mommy! She just throw the food on the ground! Why? Because I didn't tip!
Do it! Just do it!
Yes!
Yeah, here you go. Yeah, nice big ass house. Thanks for the fucking $6.25 I get for driving all the way out here from Walmart. You rich ass, ungrateful, stupid motherfuckers. Eat shit and die.